Mr. President, honoured guests, fellows and members of the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Medicine, it gives me great pleasure to read the citation for the presentation of the President's Medal to Professor Peter Stonier. To me, Peter is the epitome of what a pharmaceutical physician should aspire to be. After obtaining a PhD in protein chemistry and a degree in medicine, he spent 3 years working in the National Health Service before joining Herx Marion Roussel, first as a medical advisor and then as medical director, where he was responsible for developing a number of new products. He subsequently worked for a number of different companies before joining Amdipharm plc as medical director and a qualified person in pharmacovigilance. Thus, his frontline pharmaceutical medicine experience covers everything from phase 1 through to pharmacoepidemiology. He developed an interest in education and training early on in his career and was one of the contributors to the postgraduate course in pharmaceutical medicine at the Welsh School of Pharmacy. He has been active both nationally and internationally in raising the profile of pharmaceutical medicine, serving as the chairman of BRAP and with IFAP as a member of the Board of Officers and chair of the Education and Competencies Working Group. As one of the steering committee that laid the foundations for the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Medicine to be formed, he continued in his quest to drive the discipline forward. He served on the board of the faculty from its foundation, becoming both vice president and then president, and it was during these periods that he first wrote the syllabus and curriculum for our specialty training program, which led to it being recognized by the General Medical Council. It's largely down to his hard work that the whole program of training in pharmaceutical medicine is so well structured and successful. He continued to serve both the faculty and the profession as Director of Education for the faculty, ensuring that suitable academic courses are available for trainees and that the syllabus and curriculum are regularly updated. He's also the Program Director for Pharmaceutical Medicine Gennery and a medical appraiser for a number of designated bodies. He serves on the Joint Royal Colleges of Physicians Training Board as Vice Chair for the Specialty Advisory Committee in Pharmaceutical Medicine and a cooperative member of the Clinical Pharmacology and Therapeutics Specialty Advisory Committee. He was one of the driving forces behind the foundation of PharmaTrain project, which was the educational arm of the Innovative Medicines Programme of the European Commission, and served on its board throughout its existence. He continues to serve on the PharmaTrain Federation, the successor body to PharmaTrain, where he is a board member and the executive chair of the PharmaTrain Certification Board. Peter founded the first MSc programme in pharmaceutical medicine at the University of Surrey, which ran for more than 20 years before it was transferred to King's College London. He is a visiting professor at King's, co-director of the IFAP King's online course in medical affairs, which has now been turned into a master's degree. He's an external examiner at the University of Cardiff, having previously been an external examiner at Trinity College, Dublin. He is a board member and academic vice president of the IFAP Academy. He has 41 publications relating to the pharmacology, efficacy and safety of medicines, and 13 papers related to the education and training of pharmaceutical medicine. He has co-edited a 6-volume series entitled Psychopharmacology, Methods and Measurements, and edited 7 books on the various aspects of pharmaceutical medicine, as well as contributing 11 chapters to other textbooks on the discipline. He's a fellow of the Royal Colleges of Physicians of London and Edinburgh and a member of the Royal College of Psychiatrists. It would be appropriate that his many contributions to pharmaceutical medicine in research, education, professional development and publications be recognised by the faculty in awarding him the President's Medal.